Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Shall we move to the next question, children? So here is your next one. The question says, which among these is an incorrect match? Okay, and your options are option A, XLV which is equals to 48. Option B, LX, which is equals to 60. Option C, XCIV, which is equals to 94. And option D, CD, which is equals to 600. Okay, so we need to find out whether the values which they have derived here is the right one or the wrong one. So XLVIII, we know the value of XL. XL is how much? 40, and V is 5, and 3I is what? Very good, 3, right? So 5 plus 3, 8. So 40 plus 8, 48. So this is the right derivation. Next one, LX. You know L is 50, X is 10. And here the value which has the symbol which has the higher value comes first. So which means we need to add here. So 50 plus 10, 60. Is it right? Very good. Next one, XCIV. XC we know it is 90, right? See here, XC is 90. So 90 and 4, 94. Is it right? Good. Next is CD. C is 100. D is 500. And here is a loophole. The symbol with the smaller value comes first. So it has to be a, very good, it needs to be a subtraction, right? So 500 minus 100, this value should be 400, wherein they have derived and written it as 600, which means this is the odd one out. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay, so this is your next question. The question says, pick the odd one out. Option A, C. Option B, XL. Option C, L, 4X. And option D, V. So tell me which is the odd one out, children? C. It has the value as 100. XL. Very good. It has a value of 40. L followed by 4x. There is no such value here because the x is repeated 4 times, which is not possible. So this is the odd one out. And we know it is 5. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? So you are finding it interesting, children? Okay. So let us explore some more questions. The next question is, convert the statement into Roman value. Okay. And the question is 5 into 4 equals to 20. The options are V into IV equals to double X. Option B, V into V equals to V IV. Option C, V into 4 I's equals to 20. And option D, V into IV equals to 4 V's. So which do you think is the right one, children? 5 into 4 equals to 20. Now, don't confuse this X with the Roman letter. That is the reason I have put it in the bracket, so that you know that it is a multiplication symbol and not the Roman value 10. Okay. So the value of the numbers I have put in without the bracket. Clear? So we know the value of 5 is V. We know the value of 4 is IV. And we also know that the value of 20 is double X. So which means option A is the right one. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. The next question is, solve X double I minus I is how much? Your options are AX, BXI, C2I, and DX, and followed by 2 I's. So XII, which is nothing but 12, and II is nothing but 2. So 12 minus 2 is how much? 10, right? So which means here it should be X. And where can you find it, children? Very good. So I think you are getting familiar with these Roman letters, right? So now you are able to tell quickly as which numbers will come how and which is the rule of the Roman letters, right? So shall we move to few challenging questions? Now we are going to solve few exciting questions, and you are going to perform the operations as in addition, subtraction and multiplication using the Roman figures. Ready? Okay. So here is your next question. Roman number equal to 89 is dash, and your options are L, X, I, L, option B, I, X, C, option C, X, I, C, option D, L, triple X, I, X. Okay. So now they have asked us to convert the value of 89. What is the value of 80, children? See here, it is L triple X, right? And what is the value of 9? It is IX. So it will be L triple X, IX. That is option D. Clear? So by now you have to be familiar with what number has what value. Okay? Because every time in a competitive exam, it's not possible for you to break it and solve it individually. Okay? So hereafter we are going to do it fast. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So this is your next question. Ria had LV triple I postcards and XI stamps. How many are there in all? Okay, and your options are LXVI, option B, LXIX, option C, LXII, and option D, LXI. Okay, so now LV triple I. What is the value of LV triple I? We know that L is 50 and V triple I is 8. So this is 58. Okay, and XI. What is XI? This is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So 58 plus 11, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer should be 69. And where can you find 69? Let us just try to find out the figures. So LX 60 and 6. This is 66. This is not the right one. This is LX. So 60 and 9. 69. Is this the right answer? Yes. Option B is the right one. Can we just know the value of this as well? This is LX, that is 60 and 2. 62, and this is 61. Got it? Interesting, right? So the next question for you is, solve dvi minus xiv. Okay, and your options are C, D, L, triple X, I, option B, C, D, X, C, double I, option C, C, D, L, double X, double I, and option D, C, D, L, triple X. Okay, so D is how much? 5, and I'm sorry, D is 500 and VI is 6. So this is 506. Okay, now XIV, X is 10, IV is 4. So this is 14. So shall we do the subtraction and see? 506 minus 14. So 6 minus 4, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. And 4. So your answer should be 492. Let us see which of these is having 492. So CD is 400. L triple X. L triple X means how much? That is 80, right? So 481. So this is not the required answer. Next one, CD is 400, XC is 92. So this is 492. Is this what we need? Yes. So answer B, CD, XC, double I, 492 is the right one. Shall we try to segregate this as well? Okay. CD is 400, L double X is 770 and double 2. So which means 472. Okay. The next one, CD 400, L triple X 80. So this is 480. Got it? Shall we do the next one? Okay. The next question is DCLV minus LV equals to how much? Your options are LV, option B C, option C D, and option D DC. Okay. So now DC. DC is how much? 600. And LV is how much? 55, right? So this is 655. Okay, and LV is again 55. So now 655 minus 55 is how much, children? Yes, it is 600, right? So now let us try to break this. LV. LV is how much? It is 55. Is this the answer? No. Next is C. C means 100. Is this the answer? No. Next is D. D we know it is 500. Is this the answer? No. DC. DC is how much? 500 plus 100, it is 600. So, option D, DC is the right one. Clear? So, the last question of this pattern. The question asks XLIII minus something will give you the answer as XL. Okay? And your options are XL, option B, XLIII, option C, III, and option D, II. Okay? So now XL is how much? 40, and this is 3. So this becomes 43. So 43 minus something is XL. XL is 40. So 43 minus something is 40. So what is the answer? Good. 3. Where can you find 3? Option C. So now you have got familiarized even to do the operation sums doing the Roman alphabets, right? So now we will be doing the next level of questions.